This channel is about what I, Garrick Bensing, get up to taking care of a big rural property, and I started posting videos weekly exactly 1 year ago. I managed to make 52 videos this past year, covering anything from clearing trees, clearing land, chasing peacocks, fixing equipment, and creating my workshop.
It's so beautiful.
I even made my most successful video about a big rain that flooded the property for a few hours that got 350,000 views. Which is awesome, but totally not the kind of content I can make every week. I don't know squat about making videos, so between everything I did do and every video I did make, there was a ton of stuff I recorded and never touched because I already spent 20 to 40 hours that week editing another 20-minute video. So here's a montage of all the videos that didn't end up on YouTube this past year to a song that I think is quite fitting. It's from a little-known artist by the name of Bill Callahan, and because YouTube's revenue ecosystem is outrageous, his record label gets half the ad money. So if you enjoy it, be sure to leave a like and a comment on which clip you'd like to have seen a full video about so the YouTube algorithm decides this channel is worth showing to the masses and this video gets a ton of views to offset the difference.
The real people went away.
It's that easy.
I'll find a better way someday. Leaving only me and my dreams, my cattle, and a resonator. I drove all the beasts down right under your nose. The lumbering, footloose power, the bull and the rose. Don't touch them. Don't try to hurt them. My cattle. Drove them by the crops and thought the crops were lost. I consoled myself with rudimentary thoughts, and I set my watch against the city clock. It was way off. One thing about this wild, wild country,
what a pain in the butt.
takes a strong, strong, it breaks a strong, strong mind. Yeah, one thing about this wild, wild country, takes a strong, strong, it breaks a strong, strong mind. But anything less makes me feel like I'm wasting my time. But the pain and frustration is not mine. It belongs to the cattle through the valley. When my cattle turns on me, I was knocked back flat. I was knocked out cold for one plaque of the train track. Then I rose a colossal hand buried in sand. I rose like a drover and in the end I drove her by trade. When my cattle turns on me, I'm a drover, double fold. My cattle bears it all the way for me and everyone. One. One thing about this wild, wild country takes a strong, strong, it breaks a strong, strong mind. But anything less makes me feel like I'm wasting my time.
It's been a busy year for me, changing from the world-traveling engineer to rural property manager and YouTube content creator, but it's times like this I do it for. Yeah, it is a lot of work, but being able to sit outside on a beautiful day and eat a quick lunch while giving your dog some scraps is just the kind of moments I live for. I hope you've been enjoying the content that I've been putting out for the last year, and I hope to see you around throughout the next one. And as always, have a good one.